So this is just one account on TikTok that's making money without even showing their face. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how you can start doing this. Hey, what's going on? My name is Benjamin, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start making money on TikTok without even showing your face. Now make sure to stick around until the end of this video because I'm gonna share a resource with you that'll help you grow your TikTok account if you have a brand new account or if you're just struggling to grow your account. Okay, so let me just skip the long intro and get right into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go over to a website called clickbank.com and you're going to sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. So all you have to do is just click on sign up. You're going to create an account. You're going to fill out your information and then you're going to sign in. Okay, once you created an account and you're signed in, you're going to click on this top button right here that says Marketplace. So when you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page right here. So this is the Marketplace or all the different categories that they have on this website. So if you don't know what clickbank.com is, it's an affiliate marketplace where you can find products to promote as an affiliate. Now, they have different categories: health and fitness, green products, home and garden, parenting, politics, reference, self-help, all kinds of different categories that you can find products to promote that fall under that category. So whatever category that you're interested in, find a product that falls under that category to promote. So I'm going to pick spirituality just as an example for this video. Now you're going to see all the different products that are under this category. So numerologist.com, Master Wang draws your soulmate, soulmate sketch, bioenergy code. So what you're going to want to do when you pick a category is you're going to want to filter by gravity. So what gravity means is the higher the number, the more that product is being sold. So when you filter by gravity, it's going to show you the products with the higher number gravity at the top. So this one has a gravity of 217, which is pretty good. That means a lot of people are buying this product. This one has a gravity of 169. Anything above 30 gravity is pretty decent. Now obviously the higher that the number is, the more that product is being sold. So if you find a product with a really high gravity, I mean, that's a pretty hot item. So let me just take a look at Soul Manifestation just for the example of this video. So this one pays you $22.88 every time somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they buy this product. So let me show you exactly what this sales page looks like. So this one just has like a sales page that says your soul reading reveals the path that your soul is on at this point in your life. So if I want to check it out, I have to enter in my name, my date of birth, and also my email. So this is kind of a way for them to get my email in order to get like a soul reading, which is pretty smart because when you enter in, when somebody comes to this page and they enter in their information, they're investing their like time and to see what their soul reading is if they're into this type of spirituality thing. Now, when you enter in your information, you're gonna see like a video that tells you a little bit about yourself. And it's going to present you with an offer to buy like a soul manifestation or a soul reading. So if I go back to Clickbank, so now if I want to promote this product, all I have to do is click on promote. I don't know if you can see this other window that popped up, but there's a window that popped up and it's going to show you your account nickname and then it's going to have a button that says generate hop link. So when you do that, it's going to show you a long code, a strip of code. This is your affiliate link. So this is what people are going to click on. That's going to take them to the sales page of this product. Now, if they buy it through your affiliate link, then I would earn a commission or you would earn a commission. Okay, so you found a product that you want to promote, and how would you promote this product? How would you get people to see this product? Well, let's go over to TikTok. So here's a TikTok account right here called Manifestation 365, and they have 304,000 followers. Now, all they're doing is just posting videos where they're not even showing their face. They're just getting videos, stock video footage from another website. They're uploading it onto TikTok and they're just putting some text over it. So I'll show you a couple of videos that they have. So they just have basic stock footage that they're using from that other website that I mentioned, and I'm going to share that with you in a minute. And they're just putting text over it. So they're just creating videos that are just about manifestation, numerology, like share this video or type in the comment section to claim whatever your future holds for you. So all of these videos are the same and they're not even showing their face in one of them. So they have a bunch of followers just from posting videos like this. Now what's really interesting about this is that they have a link in their bio. So if I were to click on this link, it's going to bring me to this page. I open anyways. And now it takes me to the sales page for Soul Manifestation. The same offer that we've seen on Clickbank. So it's the same thing. If I were to enter in my date of birth, my name, and also my email, I would see a sales video. So if I were to go through all this and I were to buy it through their affiliate link, they would earn $22.88. Now just think about how many people they're actually getting to buy this product. All you have to do is just look at the number of views that each video is getting, and you can get an estimate of how much money they're making. I mean, you can't really get an exact estimate, but they're definitely making money on TikTok without even showing their face. So this video right here has 225,000 views. It has 46,000 likes, 5,115 comments. So people who are engaging with this type of content, more than likely they're interested in buying a soul manifestation reading. Okay, so what I wanted to mention is if you're brand new to TikTok or you have less than 1,000 followers, you can't post a link in your bio until you pass 1,000 followers. But there's one way that you can work around this. So what you can do is you can switch over your TikTok account to a business account. This allows you to post a clickable link in your bio. Now the downside about having a business account is that you won't get access to a lot of popular sounds that everybody else is using. But what I did before I hit 1,000 followers on TikTok is I would create a business account and post my affiliate link. And whenever I would post a video, I would switch over to creator account. So I could use the popular sounds to my videos. I would upload them. And once the video was uploaded, I would switch over to a business account. So that way I can have a clickable link in my bio and I can have a video that has the popular sounds that everybody is using. Now, why is having a popular sound important on TikTok is because when you use popular sounds, it's more likely to get seen by other people. Now, if you want me to show you how to switch from a creator account to a business account, just let me know down in the comments below and I'll make a separate video on that. Okay, so I mentioned a website that you can actually get this type of stock footage from. So what you're gonna do is go over to a website called pexels.com and you can download royalty-free images and videos from this website. So all you have to do is just click on videos, and then you can just type in a search like sky, and then you'll see videos like this that are all free to download. You can type in ocean, and you're gonna see all types of different search results. You can type in something like peaceful, and then you're gonna see like footage of this, stuff like this, waterfalls, clouds, mountains, lakes, or you can just type in something like beach. Now you're gonna see a bunch of search results with the beaches. And I mean, let's just take a look at one of them. So this is an example of a video that you can use. You can upload this onto TikTok and just put some text over it. Now, what I forgot to mention is that TikTok, it uses a horizontal format for video. So if you have a video that's like a rectangle, it's not gonna really show up too well. It's gonna be like kind of cropped in. So you're gonna wanna search for videos that are in portrait mode. So something like this right here. So this is a perfect video for TikTok's format right here. So just a simple beach right here, some ocean, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure if you're gonna download videos from this website, Pexels, make sure it's in this type of format. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you another example of a TikTok account who's making money using this same method, but they're using it with Amazon Associates program. So if you don't wanna sign up for Clickbank, you can apply to become an Amazon affiliate. And I've done tutorials on how to do that in past videos. So you can check out my previous videos if you wanna check that out. But before I get into that, I just wanna say if you're enjoying this video so far, and you're getting value from it, make sure to give that like button a boop. And also, if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so here's another TikTok account that's called the Amazon Badger. They have 2 million followers, and all they do is just review products that you can buy on Amazon. So this video right here has 2.2 million views. This most recent video has 407,000 views. So let me just take a look at their more popular video, this one with 2.2 million. Okay, so they're reviewing a product that you can buy for yourself on Amazon. It's a trash can that can basically empty out the trash bag by itself. Now I've seen this, it's pretty cool, but it's kind of small. Now pay attention to what they had in their video. Okay, see, it says right here, link in bio. Now let's check out their bio. So if I click on their link right here, it's gonna bring me to this page. I click on open anyways, and now here's another page where it has all of the products that they have in their videos. They have a portable treadmill, the smart bin, that's the one with 2.2 million views. So if I click on that, I click on USA price because I'm in the USA. It's gonna bring me to Amazon. This trash can sells for $100. Now if I were to buy this, since I clicked on their link, they would earn a commission from that. Now think about how many people are coming to this page right here and just checking out the different products that they're reviewing. They have a lot of followers, they're getting a lot of views and engagement on each one of their videos. So there's a good chance that they're making a decent amount of money just by creating TikTok videos, and the majority of them, they're not even showing their face. I've only seen a couple of their videos where they actually show their face, like this one for example, and this one too, but the majority of their videos, I remember when I first discovered this channel, they didn't show their face at all. Now, I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm going to share a resource with you that'll help you grow your TikTok account if you're brand new or if you're just struggling to grow your account. It's a training called 15-second free leads. It's a 2-hour training video that has helped me grow my TikTok account from 0 to over 6,000 followers. And I don't even have to dance or sing like most people do to grow their account in order to get views. So here's my account, by the way, and if you want to give me a follow, hey, I ain't mad at you. Now, if you want to check out 15-second free leads for yourself, I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. Now, although this strategy to make money on TikTok without even showing your face is a great way to start earning money online, if you're somebody who's been looking to start your own online business for a while, but you just have no idea where to start, then check out my personal recommendation on how to get started in the description down below. That's going to be the first link that you're going to see in the description. Now, I only recommend that for people who are serious about learning the skill sets to build an online business that can generate them a passive income online. Like I mentioned, if you want to check it out, it's going to be the very first link in the description down below. Now, the strategy that I talked about in this video is called affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is and you want to learn more about it, then check out this playlist right here where I talk about it step by step and how you can get started and start earning money with it. Well, that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.